guys, it's your girl Ayn and you're watching Sunkissed Somewhere. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. My name is Ayn Bernos and I do videos on travel, lifestyle, and confidence 3 times a week, every single week, or when I can. For today's video, I'm talking about my January favorites because, well, it is February and we're done with the first month of the year. Huzzah! Anyway, let me know in the comments below how your January was. I would love to hear from you guys. Anywho, so favorites. Yes, shall we begin? We shall. First off, I want to talk about something that has been ongoing for the past couple of months for me because I have been renovating my room, and this would not have been possible without this company, platform, website. Anyway, it's called matchmakemovein.com, and essentially they are an online platform where you can get design services, but it's cheaper, faster, quicker, more convenient. So I'm gonna quickly explain to you what it does. So you go to the website, matchmakemovein.com, you pick a package, and then design needs satisfied. So you can pick from a DIY package. There's also one where the entire thing is covered, like from planning to execution, all of it. And then there's one that's just styling, event styling, all sorts of things. Anyway, you can check out the website and see what other packages they have. It's gonna be really cool because, I mean, have you seen my room? Well, you haven't yet because the room tour isn't up yet, but then I'll show you guys in like 2 weeks. Give me 2 more weeks because I'm still setting up my desk. But anyway, so I've been working with them for this, and it's just been really, it's been really great actually. So if you guys have like a condo that you want to redecorate, an Airbnb that isn't doing well on the market and you need to dress it up a little better, or if you want to declutter your space, start fresh, if you want to copy a Pinterest room and you're failing, then definitely. Next, okay, let's head to my movie picks for this month. So I have 2 actually. So the first one is a movie that I just watched a few hours ago, which is The Greatest Showman. It was amazing. The choreography, the songs, music, cinematography, story, the plot, all of it. It was just fabulous. It was magnificent. It was spectacular. It was phenomenal. I don't know. If you haven't watched it, yes, you should definitely do. Okay, the next movie that I want to share with you guys is actually a French movie. It's called The Climb in English, or L'Ascension. L'Ascension? L'Ascension? I can't even say it. It sounds so stupid when I do, but whatever, that's part of the learning process. So as I've told you guys, I've been learning Spanish, and recently I've also started relearning French. So part of my whole learning process is actually immersing myself in more media, movies, vlogs, reading blogs, tweets in that language. Very, very helpful in seeing how it is used conversationally. That's really good. It's about a guy who climbs Mount Everest because of love, to prove his love for somebody. So definitely check it out. It's on Netflix. I think it's a Netflix original. So I really enjoyed it, and I'm sure you will too. Okay, next one, let's head to my favorite apps of the month. I have 2, which is one Duolingo that I'm sure you guys have already heard of if you're an old subscriber. If you're new, well, here you go. Duolingo. Duolingo is a language learning app that I have been using in the past month, or maybe longer than that. I don't know. Anyway, so I've really enjoyed it because I have been relearning Spanish. It started just a couple of days ago with French, and it's super easy. So the system that they have set up really allows you to understand and have a better grasp of the syntax and the grammar, while also, you know, helping you with your pronunciation and how you are going to form sentences. It's just really, really good. Plus, there's also a competitive factor because I've convinced both mi hermana y mi hermano to actually join me on my quest to learning Espanol. So yeah, they've been learning as well, and we've kind of been outranking each other. They've already beaten me, but whatevs. Okay, so next is my second app pick of the month. It is Monify. Monify. It is a financial tracker of sorts, but it's really easy. You can input all of your accounts, so your credit cards, your different bank accounts, then your cash, and also you can track your expenses for which category or aspect of your life. So for me, because I have actually, for the first time in forever, I was actually able to finish a full month and track every single expense that I've made down to the last penny. So I've learned that the biggest expenses that I do make are in the categories of travel and Ayn Bernos, like investing like for work for the YouTube channel, and then the third most expensive one is eating out. So now finally that I've finally done a full month of tracking my finances, I definitely know where to cut back a little. Yeah, so definitely not shopping impulsively for travel gear anytime soon. I'm gonna stop that. I'm also going to stop eating out so much. Okay, so next one, let's move on to accessories. As you can see, I've got my dangles on. Anyway, so I bought 2 accessories for this month. This one, these dangling things, so extra, am I right? And then I have these as well. So as you can see, I'm a big fan of gold. I just think gold complements my morena skin tone and I really love it. These aren't real, they're just like gold plated or whatever. I got them for 250 pesos at this lovely stall in UP Town Center. If you want, you can check them out as well. It was really fun. So I don't know. So this one is just for when I'm feeling extra, which let's be honest, is almost every day. And then this one is for when I want to tone it down a little bit, which is, I don't know. Okay, let's move on to skincare. I haven't been shopping for makeup or skincare stuff lately, so it's very limited. I have like one thing on my list. So this is Generosa Organics Wonder Grower. It's castor oil with aloe vera extract, and I have been using this every night for the past, ever since I got this anyway. I've been using it on my eyebrows and my eyelashes, and I feel like it's only been a couple of weeks, but I can see the difference. I definitely understand how Bretman Rock got his amazing eyebrows from castor oil and aloe vera. So you can get this from their Instagram page. Check it out. I'm gonna leave everything in the description box below, so if you want to, you know, try it out for yourself. Lastly, I don't know what category this is, but I'm just gonna say it, essential oils. As you can see, I'm transitioning into this very organic, healthy, I don't know, sustainable lifestyle. I can't say. Anyway, so these are essential oils from 528. You can find them on Instagram. It's 528.ph. I'm also gonna leave the links below. Okay, so first off, this is the Alex Essential Oil Carrier Pouch in mustard, and I love it because mustard, and it's super tiny and you can just put it in your bag. It's really convenient because here you can carry your 3 essential oil rollers. I have one. This is Sleep, and this is Breathe, and this is for Relief. Relief is for body aches. Breathe is to help me, you know, breathe. It really helps. I don't think it's just in my mind, because when I do feel like I'm being overwhelmed by work and stuff, I get this and I put this on my temple. Oh my god, seriously, instant. And then the sleep one is I put this on me before I have to sleep, and it really helps me, especially when I'm so stressed and I keep, like, my mind's always, you know, running like crazy. So yeah, it really does help. Plus, I really like these rollers because you can bring them everywhere, and it's super convenient too. So anyway, that is it for my January favorites. I hope that, you know, you enjoyed this little video that I prepared for you guys. I will try my best to actually finish the rest of the year with my favorites for every month. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe below, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and comment below, how was your January? What are your favorites? Etc, etc, etc. Follow me on social media as well, so you guys can get updated whenever I post a video. Anyway, so I hope you guys got something out of this, and I hope you stay confident. Bye! Hey, no, no, no.